Okay guys, today is a very special day one more time. We just delivered our final permanent implant bridge to one of our wonderful patients, and as always we are going to take it for the ultimate test. When we do this for our patients, we always tell them that after we're done, you're going to be able to really pretty much eat, enjoy your food, and pretty much bite on anything. And how we're going to prove it? Today we deliver it, and today we take it for the ultimate test, biting into an apple. So if you're ready, follow me and we're gonna do it. Mr. Morgan, I have a challenge for you.
What's that?
Since today is a final delivery, and we'd like to take it to the ultimate challenge and the ultimate test. Biting into an apple.
Okay.
So if you're up to it, you're up to it.
I'm hungry.
Give it a big old bite. How is it?
Good.
Big old bite. There we go. From now on, sir, with that you can pretty much eat and chew on whatever you like. If it's an apple, if it's a steak, it's corn on the cob, or whatever else you really want to chew on it, you're free to go for it. You can chew on almonds with that.
Okay.
Sir, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.